You can pack your bags, cause we're headed on vacation. Throw 'em in the back, on to our destination. Don't forget your toothbrush, and you don't need no makeup. Unless you want it, baby, that's fine with me. Headed on a road trip, let's go, let's go.
안녕 여러분, 여기는 영국의 휴게소인데 여기 샤워도 할 수 있고 뷔페처럼 밥도 먹을 수 있고 쇼핑도 할 수 있고 근데 너무너무 잘 돼 있고 엄청 깨끗해요. 보여드릴게요. 여기서 물이 나오는데 역시 여기도 계속 눌러줘야 되는 시스템입니다. 옷도 걸어둘 수 있고요. 물을 누르면
We're in charge of the tunes, just skip the ones that make the time just fly on by.
You have new hair.
Oh yeah, that's right. We haven't shot any video with this yet. New hair, new drone. We're in Wales. A lot has changed. We're excited. We'll be around Wales for a couple weeks. Yeah.
영국은 잉글랜드, 웨일즈, 스코틀랜드, 북아일랜드 이렇게 구성이 되어 있더라고요. 그래서 이번에는 웨일즈로 왔습니다. 우리 이번에 묵는 숙소가 원캡팜이라는 곳인데 따다! Hello, 현정 and Vincent. They put our names in front of the door. Really, really cozy and lovely. There's a kitchen, there's a giant window room, and also hammock and fireplace shower. And we have bathtub. bathtub을 한 게 도대체 몇 개월 전인지 모르겠어요. 그래서 여기서 직접 나무를 떼서 이제 보일하는 그 핫헙 시스템으로 그것도 2명이서 같이 할 수 있는. 나중에 보여드릴게요. 우리는 이렇게 조금 비싸긴 하지만 어쨌건 이틀 이렇게 재밌게 보내다 갈 예정입니다. 아무튼 배고프다고 하니까 그냥 가자! We are afraid to get into the small city.
Yeah, we don't know if we can drive down this road. We also don't know where I can turn around. Ooh, right there.
오이! 비가 내리네. 비아 루니아. 여기 약간 포트벨로 마켓 같은 느낌의 집들이 많이 있어가지고 구경하고 밥 먹고 가려고 합니다. 뭐라고?
There's a butcher over there. We're in I don't know how to say it. Aberdeen? We're in Aberdeen. But it sounds super cute. All the buildings are like different colors. We just got here, but everything so far is really cute.
Oh my gosh, look at the cute. Is it hamburger bun?
I guess so.
Looks so nice.
Yeah.
Let's get in there. I love this package. Look at this tiny salt. Hello, are you alright? 뭐 먹냐?
Eating focaccia in this glorious light here. I wish it wasn't so windy today so I could fly the drone.
Yeah. I found the local specialty coffee, but he doesn't want to come here because he hates uphill.
I asked you if you wanted to go here and you said no. And then you lied and you made us walk here.
What?
I'll just do the same.
For what? Okay. 자기는 안 마실 것처럼 하더니.
아 뜨거. 더워. 진짜.
뜨거워.
진짜 뜨거.
인스타그램 중독자.
Yeah, because we don't have service. It's like internet. internet.
직접 요리합니다. 자.
대박. 사장님, firewood for you.
You gonna try swing?
Seen the world on my own. Doesn't look the same.
아 무서워.
조심해. Fighting! No, stop it. Come back. Jump. Not really high. Just take your feet off the ground. Sit down. Just sit down. Pick your feet up off the ground.
You need just confidence.
Can't be scared.
We have to go take a hot bath now. Out.
I can see the world through the lens of us. Every time I look at you, the color fills the open skies in ways I never knew. So waves of change.
아니 이거는 it's like a pork belly.
Melted, yeah. But you have to, this is cold water right here. So you have to turn it on. Yeah, they're both cold water. So you add cold water and that wooden stick right there.
Like this.
Yeah, is the water running? Oh, 그래. 네. Stir.
When you get in here and
Yeah.
you can, like more stuff.
That's your tub.
Oh really?
Yeah, because the other one's deeper.
Oh. 그럼
Hot?
네. 아니. Is it like a witch's soup?
현장 stew. 현장찌개. 돼지찌개.
아 진짜 좋다. 나.
Yeah, cute laugh.
Oh, so nice. I can sleep inside of here. Oh, I wish I have a glass of wine, like, and reading a book. The best thing is you can enjoy, I can enjoy at the same time. That's
Yeah,
amazing.
separate
Yeah.
tubs.
Yeah. Oh, and you guys, here is a wood.
We're supposed to put a piece of wood every 20 minutes, he said. Wow, that's amazing. It's kind of weird because it smells like a fire pit because there's fires behind us. But it's so weird that I never been in a hot tub with firewood before. 잠깐만. My head's steaming.
어? 여기로 가는 줄 알았는데. 조심해.
Start a fire. It's not quite boiling yet. It needs to be. Just pretend it's bubbling. I have no idea what I'm doing. Cook steaks with Vinny. Yeah, just put butter and thyme and salt. Splash it on top a bunch. Voila! It's pretty thick. We could eat it now, but the inside will be like rare. So just like 3 or 4 more minutes. But I want to take the asparagus off and put more asparagus on.
너가 다 먹었어? 어? You ate it all? It's like competition.
No. She's lying. I think I put too much salt. But the flavor is still good.
인스타그램이나 아니면 막 이런 캠핑하는 거에서 본 것처럼 고기도 구워 먹고 전골도 해 먹고 막 이러고 싶었는데
Please don't be embarrassed that you cry too much. If I had flowers in my eyes, so you'll be too dry, it's not enough. You've got this perfect habitat of good morning. Some days are flooded, but
아침에 일어나서 급하게 불을 만들었어요. 어제 바람이 너무 불어가지고 불을 못 만들었었거든요.
this perfect habitat of love.
Beautiful morning.
Fake sip for cup.
배달입니다.
Fighting.
10시 체크아웃 시간 알람이에요. 아, 가자. 안녕. 너무 예뻤던 케빈.